Special child, special care. Maria. Special papa, special everything. Maria. Oh, papa, better, boom, better, 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 boom, better, 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 boom, better, better. Jeben, 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 jeben. Sweetie, sweetie, Maria. Love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You my papa like a more.
Mari,
Our people
Mari,
Papa.
sweet Maria.
Sweet Papa.
Welcome home.
Hey,
Mari.
Papa.
level don't change ya. Daddy go. Level pass level, oh, we change go. I see she don't go college, come back here. No play for her side, yeah. No for her side, yeah. Any kind of movement for her side, yeah. In papa no go agree, cha cha. Onto special child, special college. You know say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting papa want ya. Sweetie Maria, Maria, Amali Chamanje Tonu, Maria, Yele Buku, Elewe Papa, Maria, Ijerem, Maria, Ima Papa like a more, Maria, our people like a more, Maria. Special child, special care, Maria, special papa, special everything.
Very, very well. For my daughter Maria. Maria.
Thank you, Papa. I know you want me to read all the
Yes.
Papa, sing for me again, though.
Oh, Maria, come back.
I. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I.
Coffee Fulago.
Sabina, how are you?
I'm fine, no. I was on my way to my mother's place and I overheard you singing, so I decided to come and wish you well.
You've done pretty well. Why didn't you call your friend to go with you?
Oh, I did though, but she said she's busy. But that's by the way. Do you mind if I should stay with you small before I continue?
No, you have to continue with your errand. Your mother might be waiting for you.
No, don't worry about my mother. Whenever I hear you sing, I don't feel like doing any other thing.
Sabina, as you can see, I'm practicing. I have to perform at a youth party tomorrow at Umweze.
Oh.
So if you don't mind.
Oh, yeah, I remember. I've missed it so much. I can't wait to be there.
So can you continue with your movement?
I. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I. Ono siba, ono wasiba. Ono kube, ono wakube. Ono wasiba, ono wabura chukwu. Kitamo, ubakwara ubamujibiwa. Akwano mobo fiani buwa. Agazara pisiaga, babu ryomo ndebanya. Akwano mobo fiani buwa. Agazara pisiaga, babu ryomo ndebanya. Akwano mobo fiani buwa. Akwano mobo fiana buwa. Uwo. Zeragada, pom, yikwa cover shoe, pom, yana so pido, pom, yikwa bolagi, pom, zeragada, pom, oh, siba, ono wasiba.
Continue. Why did you stop?
I had to stop so you continue with your errand. You'll still hear the song tomorrow night.
Oh, I can't wait to come to your house, Ophia.
What is it?
Can you walk me down the road?
Sabina, please don't start. Please, I need to concentrate and rehearse. You know how much I and my sister need that money they're going to pay tomorrow. You know it. Please, you have to go. Please. You can still come to my house and hear the song.
Okay then, I have to be going. I'll come later and see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sabina, you need to understand that I'm not interested in all these things.
Sweetie Maria, Amali Chamanje Tonu, Maria, Yelabuku, Elewe Papa, Maria, Ijedem, Maria, Imapa Papa like a mo, Maria, our people like a mo, Maria, special child, special care, Maria, special papa, special everything, Maria, oh, Papa, better. Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You my papa like a mom, Maria. Our people are like a mom, Maria.
Ah! Sabe. Ah, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I guess you're going to meet with your friend.
Not really. Is he rehearsing there?
Yes, I was with him before he sent me away. Dikeh, see, I've been meaning to ask you this question.
Okay.
Do you have any idea if Ophia is seeing any girl in this village?
No. Why did you ask?
Nothing. I just want to know because I've not seen him with any girl before. Oh, okay, Kobo.
Okay, Kobo. Ophia is a man. You see, Ophia, my friend, he is very much in love with his music. Yes, he doesn't care for any other person except his little sister, your friend. And he has been working very hard to make a living for the both of them. He's a nice person. Yes, a very nice person. And I envy the girl he's going to fall in love with.
Really?
You know.
Leave me, I want to go. Alright, now bye.
Yeah. Sabi. Sabi. The most talented musician in Ophia. Ophia Fulago. Onyegu. All like in easy. I used to.
Okay, man.
Although here is quite cool for your rehearsal, but I think one day you run away from a snake. Bushes everywhere.
If I see a snake, I will kill it.
Really? Udugu.
Jide, I cannot wait for tomorrow night to come. So I'll go and make my money.
I can't wait too. I can't wait. Opia. Opia, I heard that Umweze is full of beautiful girls. I am going to sharp my market. I take this one corner. Take that one. Take this one. Opia! But this time around, I will be the one to be keeping your money.
Jide?
Enam.
Girls. That is what you know. Anyway, you're not going to keep my money for me.
Why?
I will go with my handbag. Or rather, I go with my sister. I cannot trust you with money.
Hey! They said it. That when money is involved, that is when you are going to know the true nature of a man. Ofia? So because money is involved now, you want to go to that place with your sister, you want to carry your handbag? Are we not paddy? Are you not my friend? I'm asking you, are we not paddy?
Stop it.
When did you start doing things differently?
I cannot trust you with money. That reminds me. There is something I want to tell you about Sabina.
Sabina. Hey! I said it. I knew it. I said one day you are... So you already falling in love with this girl? Ha! Now you are too much. Jide.
What you're saying is far from it. Very far from it. That girl has been giving me green light. Has been showing me green light and I don't like it. You know, she might get hot the way she's going about this whole thing.
You mean she's the one coming to you?
Yes. She's the one coming and she has been coming in different ways. Chide, what will I do?
Ofia, you are asking what will you do? Ofia, you are asking what will you do? A beautiful girl is offering you her beautiful self free of charge. You are asking me what will you do? Ofia, play along now. Play along, fall in love, play along, love this girl back. Ofia, I wish I were you. Sabina giving herself to you. Ofia, couldn't leave her.
Jide, I can't make more. If your hand touches me again.
Ofia Fulago. Wait, beautiful Sabina is offering her beautiful self to you, Ofia, and you are asking me what you go do. Ofia, a beautiful girl is coming to you.
I will wait here until she comes out. I'm not going anywhere. Maria.
Come on, go, Joe. My father is around. I'll call him. See, Maria, get out. I'll go. Come on, go. I said go.
Papa, how did you see him?
That stupid boy. Don't you know he has been following us? All this while, huh? Maria.
Papa.
Maria, my queen.
Sweet Papa.
Maria, my angel.
Papa.
Maria, Maria. Maria, Maria. Maria, my every. Maria.
Special Papa, special everything. Maria. Oh, Papa,
Angel Maria, come back. Welcome back.
Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You make my papa like a mom, Maria. Our people are like a mom, Maria.
Naka, where you go? Look at the way he just knocked me. Boy! Mr. Madoka, you are very wicked. I know, he's not wicked though. It's for Maria. Maria.
Bomboy, what is it? And why are you holding your head?
Rebecca, Mr. Madoka, he nearly broke my head. Boom! On my head.
Hey! Madoka, what happened? And why did you go to his house when you know Maria is not around?
Eh? You don't know. Maria is back.
Eh?
She just came back from the college.
You know how to joke. Eh? So, tell me you are not joking. Anyway, let me rush you there.
Rebecca. Biko, when you get to their house, just help me and tell Maria that I want to see her. Please.
Chelu, you want me to tell Maria to come and see you? Me, Rebecca, to tell Maria to come and see you?
Biko, just tell her that I want to see her.
See you for what? Bomboy, see you for what? Eh? Don't tell me you are still into this love thing with Maria. Eh? Maria is not your level. And she can never in this world be your level. Eh? She's a college girl. But you and I are village people. Get that to your school.
Hey, Rebecca, don't insult me. I'm sorry. Please. See, Rebecca, you know I love Maria. I love her so much. Just help me and tell her. Just tell her that I want to see her. Tell her to come and see me. Please, I will give you some money.
You give me money?
That's well. I'll give you money. Just tell her.
Well, since you said you give me money, I will try my best.
Don't say you will try your best. Just say I will tell her to come. You know, saying try your best, as if you don't want to do it.
Okay, I will do it. As far as you are going to pay me, I will do it. Let me go.
Okay. Ribe. That's money, Hey, say how.
Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby,
Maria.
You make my papa like a mom,
Rebecca! Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. I can't believe you're back.
I've missed you.
Me too.
But how do you know I'm back? Who told you?
Well, from boy, of course.
From boy.
Now I greet you.
Rebecca, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
All right.
I have this for you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you cook anything?
How will I cook? There is no food in the house.
How? What of the remaining yam we ate last night?
I used it as breakfast. And as I'm talking to you right now, I'm very hungry.
are we going to do now?
I don't know. You didn't go to the work you prepared for. Instead, you said you want to concentrate on the night party at Umueze. But Ofia, permit me to tell you that if we depend on your music career to feed, Aguye Buai, hunger will kill us.
It's okay. It's okay. But know it that the kind of money I am going to make from that night party. Relax, you see. Just relax. Music will give us money. Music will give us food. You see. Let me see if I still have small money to give you, so you go and buy something and cook.
Bomboy loves you. And I think if you give him a chance, he's going to make you feel better.
Listen, Rebecca. I've not seen what I'm looking for in any man yet. I've not seen the uniqueness in any man. So until I see it, then I'll sort it out.
Okay, no problem. So, how is college?
College is fine, no. Just that I miss the joy I derive in this village. The only thing they know in that college is read, 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 no play.
Sorry for that, but I'm happy you are back. That reminds me. There will be a night party today at the square. You know the youths of this village has been organizing a weekly activity.
Night party, kwa. Hey, are you serious? So, we are going to dance.
More than dance. I heard one of the best singers is going to be around. I heard he sings well, though I haven't heard him sing before.
From our own Umokpia?
Yes.
Eh? Okay, in that case, come, let's go and prepare.
Sweetie, sweetie, love you. See that fine CC.
Hurry, Joe.
See that fine baby. You my papa like a mom.
Maduka, you have done very well. I am so happy for you. It is not easy to send your daughter to the college, not to talk of living in the dormitory.
That is to show that I placed my daughter on a high standard. She is my ticket to London. She is my only hope of having a handshake with Queen Elizabeth.
Maduka, things are not done that way. Your daughter is beautiful and young. I was even thinking you and I will become in-laws someday.
Ode, what did you eat? Look at your mouth. What is your mouth? Clean it.
Yeah, clean it.
You have cleaned everything you said. My daughter is not the same level with your son.
Because she's in the college.
Is it easy? If it's easy, send their son to the college so that they be on the same level. That's easy. Not only being in the college, she stays in the dormitory.
So, what are you saying? That even after the college it will not work out?
Do you have ear problem? I've said it before. Or you want me to shout it? I will shout it. It will not work, oh! It will not work, oh! Ma said it will not work. Have you heard me now?
Madoka,
Ude,
That is an insult to me. But I don't want to see it that way. Yet.
I don't care how you see it though. Only thing I know is that my daughter will not marry her son. They're not on the same level now. Eh? Origin Cola. Suku of Ghana. Hi. Maria. Maria. People are coming. A lot of them are coming.
Sabina, thank you very much for this food.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay. What of Ofia?
That one. He has gone for his music rehearsal. You know he has a show to attend tonight in Umueze.
Yes, it's true. Are you going?
No. Hey, what will I go there to do? Because I want to enjoy my sleep tonight.
See, if I'm in your shoes, I'll follow him to that place to make sure no woman distracts him.
Hey! How is that one my business? Or will I marry my brother? If they want to have him, they should have him all to themselves. But you see that money they pay him, that is what I'm after. He should be bringing it home.
No, Chita, why are you talking like this? See, let me tell you, your brother deserves a better woman, a good woman at that. So you have to make sure that any woman that comes around him should be a better person.
Well, I know my brother very well and I trust him. He does not have time for women.
Yeah.
So why will I bother myself over that? But wait, let me ask you. Will you do the same to your brother?
Yes, so I will. If I care for him, I will. See, Chita, let's go to that party now. I want to see him perform. I just want to watch him. So I will also make sure that no woman distracts him. No, those village harlots. Make sure no one distracts him. And let's just go. Biko.
It's a bad wrong. But let me finish with this food first. Then I will think about it.
Okay. Well. Oh, Ofia is it?
Ofia. Woo! Woo! You came back early today?
Yes, dear. Yes. I'm so happy.
Ofia, welcome.
Sabina, how are you? I need to sleep, wake up and eat and prepare for my show. I'm going to make money today. Yeah? How did you... Let me join your food now. But how did you manage to get money to cook this food?
I did not cook it though. Sabina brought it for us. Sabina.
Okay. Let me go inside and prepare for my show. Please get my food ready. In my hand, I like. You go in my hand, I like. Yeah.
Chita, what is wrong with your brother, Seth? He doesn't like eating my food. Even the last one I brought, he did not even eat it.
That reminds me. Are you bringing the food for him? Or me? Or both of us?
Why are you talking like this now?
Wait. Sabina. You know you're my friend.
I know.
Tell me the truth. Do you like my brother?
Are you not my friend? You are my friend. Your brother is also my friend. We are family friends. Yes, no.
Peter, what's holding you with the food now? What's holding you with the food?
But why are you this hungry? Eh? You told me earlier that you don't want to eat.
Yes, I don't want to eat the one prepared by your friend.
Ofia, why? Why don't you like Sabina, my friend? She's a nice girl and she cares about you. She only told me of the food she wanted to prepare and I told her I would love to eat. That was why she brought that food. Yet you saw me eating but didn't want to eat. Why?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Eh? Don't you want me to eat this food? Why are you preaching to me about your friend? What is it? Have I shown her any kind of hatred attitude? Or when she greeted me, didn't I greet her back? What do you want me to do for her? What?
At least smile with her. Show her some kind of affection.
Eh? Afe Gini? Afe? Did I tell you I'm looking for a woman?
No, you did not tell me. But it's high time you started looking for one. Because it's just you and I. It's just you and I. I want you to get married and start making babies now. Please.
Are you not a woman?
Ofia.
I'm not Ofia.
For her side, yeah. Any curriculum movement for her side, yeah. In Papa no go agree, cha-cha. Onto special child, special college. You know say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting Papa want.
What happened? How did you go? See, I'm trying so hard for you. If you see what I told Maria today, you will bow.
I will bow.
Emma.
That is why I trust you. That is why I talk of you. See, Rebecca, the only thing you need to do now, just convince her to come to the party tonight. Just bring her to this party. Then tomorrow morning, I'm owing you 1,000.
What?
1,000.
Where will you get that kind of money?
Why are you asking now? Have you forgotten? I am one of the organizers of that party. So 1,000 is not the problem. I know how the money comes in and how the money goes out. It's our ticket. One comes in, one goes out. The money is gone. So just do your own part and leave my own for me.
Well, I have equally told her about the party and she agreed to come with me. And she even promised to dance and hug you.
I'm worried, alarm. Hey! Maria will dance with me this night. Who am I? If I dance with Maria, my own is gone. See, let me tell you. If I carry Maria, dance with her, lift her up, go back, go down, shake Maria. In fact, Bomboy is gone. Call my name.
Bomboy.
Call me again.
Bomboy.
Go and arrange your clothes. See, just arrange your clothes.
Okay.
Put lines. All those fine lines. Yeah. People should comb your hair. And rub all these your things you rub on your face. Rub your mouth. So that it will be okay. Eh?
Take it easy before you fall down.
This night, Maria is my prayer. Bomboy, who am I? Dance with Maria. Shake Maria. Carry Maria down. Carry Maria up.
I'm here. I'm ready for the party. Don't waste my time. Come out now. I'm ready.
So you really want to attend the party?
Yes, so I want to attend the party. I want to be there live and watch your brother perform.
Look at you. You think I don't know you don't want to only watch him perform? You also want to watch over him. Well, I have spoken to him about you.
Whistle. Tell me the truth. What did he say?
You have to cancel this party. Because my brother likes a girl who is homely. A responsible girl not a girl that goes to every night party. If he sees you in that party, he will no longer have respect for you. Oh. Ask Kwana na Magwaroi.
Okay, no problem. That means I have to cancel the party. But where is he now?
That one. He has gone since. To go Liolueba. What you have to do now is show him you are a good girl.
I the one saying this. You know I'm a good girl now.
You cannot go home again tonight. Come and stay with me at the house.
Maria, papa like a mom. Maria, our people are like a mom. Special child, special care. Maria, special papa, special everything. Maria, oh, papa, better, bum, better, better, bum, better, better, bum, better, Maria.
Hey! Papa, you startled me.
I know this will happen. I know it will come to this. Why do you want to make me angry? What is in this net budget you want to attend?
Papa, you know how much I love music. I just want to be happy, that's all.
This one now will not work. If there's any party in the afternoon, I'll allow you to go. But this night on, you're not going anywhere.
Oh, Papa, I don't like this job. I don't like this. I want to go.
Mari. I'm ready. Let's go.
I know you are ready. I know you are ready, Rebecca. So you are the person that wants to spoil my daughter for me. Huh?
No, sir. We just want to attend the party. That's all.
That party is too big for both of you. What would they say if they see you at night party at this your age? If you know what is good for you now, go home and remove this your will and sleep. Don't allow me to ban you for coming to my house. If you want to continue the relationship between you and my daughter, you must go home and sleep.
Papa, that thing is not night party. It's just night gathering.
Night gathering? Let the gathering be in the afternoon and you will go. This night gathering, I come out there. Move.
Papa, nah.
Go.
Papa,
One. Two.
Our people are like a mom. Special child, special care. Maria, special papa, special everything. Maria, oh, papa, better.
Where is Maria now? What happened?
I tried my best. It's not my fault. Maria is not with me. See, I'm just coming from the house now. The way her father talked to me has calmed my spirit. I'm no more going to the party. As you can see, I'm going home to sleep.
Sleep? Ha! No. So, Rebecca, I'm going to dance alone this night.
Dance? Boy, if you know that you don't know whom to dance with this night, I suggest you go home and sleep.
Rebecca, stop saying this sleep, go home, sleep, what is see? Okay, wait. Rebecca, please, let us go. Let's go together. Just let me manage you so that I can just, or I can hold you, go to the party so that we can dance together. Just let me just manage you. See, you know, I promised to give you 1,000 after the party. And by now, I'm supposed to be selling tickets so that I can get the money and give to you. Oh, let's just go. After this, your dressing, look at your clothes, you look at your purse and your all these other things. Let us go there so you will show it now. Eh? Please.
So you want to manage me? Are you trying to say that you did not see my dressing? All this my dressing, my handbag and all that. You want to manage me, Rebecca? You must be out of your mind. Go home and sleep, because I'm not going anywhere with you. I valued my relationship with Maria and I'm not ready to lose her. Do you understand? Fool.
It's better I go alone, sir. Me, boy, go home and sleep. After this, my dressing. That party, yeah, I come. Boy. You can go, boy.
Ono siba, ono wasiba o. Ono kube, ono wakube. Ay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ay, oh, ay, 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 ay. Ono siba, ono wasiba o. Ay, ono kube, ono wakube. Ọnụ wasiba mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ wakube mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ebe oya. Dite mụ ụbakwara ụgbọ mụ ji bi ụwa. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Agazara bụ isi aka gbaba oriomo ndị be anyị. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa na-akpọ. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Izeragada pom pom yikwa cover shoe. Pom pom yana sopido. Pom pom ibakwa bolagi. Pom pom izeragada pom pom. Oh uwo uwo uwo. Oh uwo uwo uwo. Ọnụ siba ọnụ wasiba. Ọnụ kwube ọnụ wakube. Ọnụ wasiba mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ wakube mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ kwube ọnụ wakube. Ọnụ wasiba mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ wakube mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ebe oya. Dite mụ ụbakwara ụgbọ mụ ji bi ụwa. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Agazara bụ isi aka gbaba oriomo ndị be anyị. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa n'ikwu. Ọkwanụ mụ bụ ọfịa na-akpọ. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Uwo uwo uwo. Izeragada pom pom yikwa cover shoe. Pom pom yana sopido. Pom pom ibakwa bolagi. Pom pom izeragada pom pom. Oh uwo uwo uwo. Oh uwo uwo uwo. Ọnụ siba ọnụ wasiba. Ọnụ kwube ọnụ wakube. Ọnụ wasiba mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ wakube mọnụ wabụrụ Chukwu.
Do you know I did not sleep last night? Eh? I was so worried. I don't know what is still keeping him by now. Eh? He's supposed to be back because I know very well there is no sleeping place there.
You worry too much. Eh? You're still dressed like this. Hey, Bamba, you have to start going. Because if my brother comes back and meets you still dressed like this, he will know that you even planned to attend the party.
Really? But what is keeping him? Are you sure there is no girl there that is making him forget that it's morning already? You see why I wanted all of us to go to that party. We would have all come back by now.
See, you don't have to worry. Jide is there with him, and he will sure take care of him. He won't allow any girl go close to him.
Oh, my friend. That's why you're my friend.
If you and my brother are meant to be together, it must surely come to pass. Believe me.
My friend.
Okay.
I'm so tired.
Good morning.
Ada, morning. So I can't wait to go and rest my tired bone because... Yep. Ofia, what is it now? Why are you entering the bush?
Chidi, huh? Who is that girl? Who is she?
Are you asking me? Am I from this village? She must be from this village.
Ofia, this girl is not ordinary. There is something about this girl.
So?
And I must follow her to find out who she is. Are you coming with me?
What is your problem? You want to follow a total stranger to find out who she is? Wait, let me ask you. Wait. You have never fallen in love with any girl. So why this little one?
That is the chemistry. That is it. You're right. No woman has ever made me to nearly enter bush. I must follow her, I must find out who she is.
Ofia! 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 Where are you going now? Have you forgotten your stranger here?
In Papa no go gree, cha-cha. Unto special child, special college. You know say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting Papa want you. Sweetie Maria mo. Maria. Amali changanje tonwo. Maria. Yele buku elewe Papa. Maria. Ijereden. Maria. Imakwa Papa like a mo. Maria. Our people are like a mom. Special child, special care. Maria. Special papa, special everything. Maria. Oh, papa, ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Jeben.
Hello. My name is Ofia. I'm from Umuapia. I came to perform in this village last night. Please, may I know you?
My name is Maria. What about your friend?
He's over there waiting for me. But don't worry, he can wait.
Are you the one that said has a golden voice?
Yes, you're right. You see, I'll always come here. And I'm going to sing a song with your name.
My name? Please, let me just go and fetch my water.
No, don't worry. I'll do that for you, okay? I'll do it.
Do I want it?
Yes. 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 Yes, you want it.
I love music. My father can sing, yes, but he can't sing like you. You are just so good. So tell me, when will you visit here again?
I will not visit. I am always here. Okay? Umope is not far. It's just a few minutes from here. I'll always be here to sing and entertain you, my lady.
Okay. I need to go now. My father must be worried.
Oh, okay.
Just with water on my head.
No, don't worry. I'll carry it for you. Okay? Yes.
No,
I'll carry it for you.
Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You make my papa like a more, Maria. Our people like a more, Maria. Special child, special care, Maria. Special papa, special everything, Maria. Oh,
I'm so sorry. I even forgot you're waiting for me. Hold on. Stay this side. Stay this side. Maria. Come, let me sing for you. Just here. Come, sit here. Sit. Sit.
Obonye gabara me wudima. Obonye gabara me wa. Maka anwacha bago. Ay. Jefaga kwa. Egu me kunigo kwa. Obonye gabara me wudima. Abonye kamara me wudima. Onye Ugobese Kobanya wututu Abu gobese Kobanya wututu Abonye gabara me wudima. Abonye gabara me wudima. Balale ya bongo, balale ya bongo, balale ya bongo. Walale ya bongo, walale ya bongo, walale ya bongo, walale ya bongo, walale ya bongo. Jefaga kwa, anyawo tutu achakaga.
Just stop playing. Well, I have to go now. My father must be worried.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry. Just help me on my head. I can manage.
Okay. I hope you'll be okay, eh?
Yes.
Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, bye. Be strong, eh? Be strong. Jide, what is it? You're just jealous.
You again. I thought last time I gave you a knock on your head. Huh? You still come back here? You will die in my house today.
Please, don't kill me. I'm not a thief.
You are. You are. You came to steal my daughter. Last time you wanted to take her to night party, but it failed. Huh? You came back here again to come and see her, huh?
It's not like that. Just that I came to check on her. I came to see if she's okay, to see how she's doing. You know, I love Maria so much. I cared about her. She's my heart. She's my life. Please.
I love her so much, huh?
So much.
So what will you do to show her that you love her?
I can do anything.
As you can see, she is yet to sweep the compound. So, can you do that for her? To show her how much you love her?
To sweep the compound? Now, I can sweep the compound. I can sweep the whole village for her.
Oh, yeah. Come on, get up. Oh, yeah, move. Move.
But please, don't kill me.
Move. Oh, yeah. Right on. Move. Oh, yeah. Look up. Take that broom. Sweep the compound.
Come back here. No play for her side here. No for her side here. Any could get a movement for her side here. In Papa no go agree, cha-cha. Onto special child, special college. You know say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting Papa want you. Sweetie Maria Maria. Amali changanje tonwo Maria. Yele buku elewe Papa Maria. Ijerem Maria. Imakwa Papa like a more Maria. Our people like a more Maria. Special child, special care Maria. Special Papa, special everything Maria. Oh Papa wa ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Jeben, sweetie, sweetie, Maria. Love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. Imakwa Papa like a more, Maria. Our people like a more, Maria. Sweetie, sweetie, Maria. Love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. Imakwa Papa like a more, Maria. Our people like a more, Maria. Level don't change ya, egwa daddy go. Level pass level, oh, egwa change go. I say she don't go college, come back here. No play for her side, yeah. No for her side, yeah. Any could get a movement for her side, yeah. In Papa no go agree, cha-cha. Onto special child, special college. You know say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting Papa want you. Sweetie Maria Maria. Amali changanje tonwo Maria. Yele buku elewe Papa Maria. Ijerem Maria. Imakwa Papa like a more Maria. Our people like a more Maria. Special child, special care Maria. Special Papa, special everything Maria. Oh Papa wa ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da. Jeben.
You know, they've never seen such a mobile horse with engine. Yes, very swift automobile.
Like a Maria. Papa ba-da-da, bum ba-dum, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, bum ba-dum, ba-da-da, jibin, 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 jibin. Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You my papa like a mom, Maria. Our people like a mom, Maria. Special child, special care. Special.
Hey, Lisa. How are you? Hey. Oh, my dear, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Oh, thank you so much for this wonderful, joyful, and felicitous embrace. Yes, thank you so much for this awesome welcome. Yes.
Is this you?
This is me.
Hi. You are looking good.
Oh, that's the handwork of Jehovah.
Ah, welcome back, man.
Thank you.
Hey, so how is it?
Well, the city is still there in its aesthetic nature. Oh, yes. However, I've returned back to base. Yes, I'm back to, yeah.
Uncle, you're welcome.
Oh,
we have waited all this while to see you. Finally today. You're welcome.
Oh, but come. What is your nomenclature?
Once again, Uncle, I don't understand that one.
I mean, what is your name?
Oh, hey. Okay. My name is Ajuro. Here is my mother, and this is my younger sister.
Eliza. So you mean your both female daughters of days ago have suddenly metamorphosed into gigantic female species? Oh, my brother must be very, very happy wherever he is now. And I know very soon we'll be welcoming suitors. That is if they have not started coming already. Welcome. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, how are you? Oh, my dear. How are you all? That's good. Oh, yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. How are you all?
You're fine.
Village Homo sapiens. Oh, that's good. So how are you all? How are your parents?
We are fine. Is this your car?
Oh, yes. One of the fleets, anyway. Yes, I just had to come with this because of the bad road, the dilapidated nature of our road,
Dilapidated?
Yes. You need to see the other sophisticated ones, very computerized, so digitalized. Yes, very, you needed to see them. Oh, yes. So, well, there is no problems. Yes, please just help me pick up the things in the car, the boots. Yes. In the boot and the car. Just gently. Yes, gently. There's one more here. Yes. Oh, yeah, gently. Oh, yes. Eliza, please share it for them. Yes. No, hold on. Give them. Are you sure this one will be enough for them?
Yeah, it will be enough.
That's okay.
And they go home, they will do.
Welcome again.
Oh, my dear. Thank you so much. It's a village Homo sapiens. Yes, just give them. Oh. I just wish they also know their nomenclature. Yes. Oh, yes.
Thank you.
You are all. Oh, thank you so much. I will see more of you. Yes. Please say me hi to your parents. Eliza. Eliza. I am back.
Special papa, special everything. Oh my God.
Cheta, I'm tired. It's like one of the village harlots has captured him.
Hey, don't say that. He might have gone to somewhere else to sing.
This morning? Ah, Cheta, I can see you don't want me to have your brother. If not, you would have seen reasons with me why I wanted all of us to go to that same party. But you said no.
Sabina, I think you should start going now so that you can come back in the evening. Eh? Don't worry. If he comes back, I will keep talking to him about you. What?
Okay, I have to go, but he has made me go home late.
Sorry. Don't go to Umueze because I know you very well. If you like, go to Umueze to search for him dressed like this. I wonder what he will think of you if he sees you dressed like this. If he sees you like this.
I'm not going there. Let me be going home.
Sweetie, sweetie, Maria, love you, Maria. See that fine CC, Maria. See that fine baby, Maria. You make my papa like a mom, Maria. Our people are like a mom.
This is the girl I've been waiting for all my life. My soul, my heart cries out for that girl. Should I tell you the truth? I am not happy with you. Ofia, I am not happy with you at all. Ofia, right before my very eyes, you were fetching water for that little girl. Just look at you. As old as you are, shamelessly fetching water for that little girl. As if that was not enough. You were even singing for her. You sang for that little girl. You wasted your precious voice. Ofia, that girl is going to break your heart.
Lie! It's a lie! She was happy I sang for her.
Akoko, that one? That little girl? What does she know? No, what does she know? Let me tell you something. That girl is going to break your heart and leave you in tears. I promise you that. Let me just advise you as a friend. Go for Sabina, who has been giving you the green light. She is the woman you need. Serious.
Jide. Jide, you're getting me angry. Oh. You're getting me angry. I've told you I don't want her. You're making me hate that girl. If you want her, go for her. Go ahead and take her. I don't want.
Shamelessly fetching water for a little girl.
Uncle, I'm through with the cleaning. You can now come inside.
Oh, my dear. Let me first and foremost expressively give kudos to you for your tireless and unfathomable assistance. Lest I forget, your mother made mention of making, preparing, and organizing some belly-fitting oil condiments. Why don't you check if it is eligibly ready and available?
Uncle, I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh no. So sorry. You see, your uncle have grown in grammatical eloquence and vocabulary utterance. And if you must be my errand girl, then you must widen, expand, and enlarge your eardrums. I hope you have gone to the college.
Anyway, I've not gone to the college, but I can speak English.
It's okay. Just check if what your mother is preparing is ready.
Uncle, is that what you have been speaking all this while? Uncle, you are so funny. You are so funny. Let me just check inside.
Just check. You know, I drove a long distance coming down here. Yes, and the road has been so, if it wasn't so palatable,
I just wish one day this area will be prized. Yes, the GPROS nature needs to come this way. I need to just fill the belly tank, you know, and get some natural force. My ambience need to be enlarged, you know. It's good being home, eating some natural condiments without being infused with so many concoctions in the name of preservatives. At least here they don't have chemicals, you know. Well, nature, home, is good. It's good. Please get that food ready, man.
Sweetie, sweetie,
Guy!
love you, Maria. See that fancy see.
But tell me now, what is it? You paid more than you bargained?
My God has finally blessed me, my sister. Yes.
Please tell me, what happened?
I've seen her. The one God has for me.
Someone that will do what? But talk to me now, someone that will do what?
The love of my life. My future wife.
What?
Mwawo ononogo. Ede. Ibe ha na-akpọ otomecha. Chai! If you see mommy, it's Shabakam. If you see the girl. If you see the girl. I'm telling you, if you see the girl, Brazilian chocolate. She's very beautiful. You need to see her.
No wonder you've been there since morning. So it is true that a girl captured you there?
Hey, what do you mean by it is true? Did anyone told you you saw me at Umunze? Eh? What is that you're talking about? Anyway, I don't have time for this talk. What I want to tell you, my sister, I will never be sad again. I'm now a happy person, a happy man. Let me go and take my bath, change my clothes, and go back to Umweze. Because there's love in the air. Hi! If you see mommy water, Omubo. Never run away. Never run away. I don't care. Woo! Oh, I forgot my way. Hi. Yeah, no, we are about to.
For her side, dear. No, for her side, dear. Any could get a movement for her side, dear. In Papa no go agree, cha cha. Onto special child, special college.
Wow, what a man of words. So this kind of man is in this village. I think I have seen the man that will teach me poetry. I can't wait.
College. You know, say now special things go to come her way. Now waiting Papa want you. Sweetie Maria, Maria. Amali Changanje Tonwo. Maria. Yele buku elewe Papa. Maria. Ijerem. Maria. Imakwa Papa like a mom. Maria. Our people like a mom. Special child, special care. Maria, special papa, special everything. Maria, oh, papa, ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, bum-ba-dum, ba-da-da.
Maria, are you serious? That guy is so mean. Could you believe that he promised to give me money only if I made you to accept him?
Really? Hey! One boy is a very stubborn boy. If I did not come back, my father would have killed him.
He deserved it better. Maria, tell me about the guy you said you saw today.
Nah. In my life, I have never seen such a cute guy before. He was the singer that performed that night.
You are very lucky. So you finally met him.
I met him in this village on my way to the stream. Hey, he can't sing. Not only is he handsome, but he's also romantic. Black beauty.
Maria. Maria. What? Do you like him?
Yes, nah. Like is an understatement.
Hey!
I want him to be the one to turn my life around forever.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy now. And I want to ask you something. Do you think he has a friend?
Hey, Rebecca. I know what you want though. I know. But don't worry. He came with a guy as handsome as he is too. But not my own. Oh. Don't look at me.
I will not miss that one.
No
Listen, but not my
for
own.
her side, yeah. No for her side, yeah. Any could get a movement for her side, yeah. In Papa no go agree, cha cha. Onto special child, special college. You know, say now special things go they come her way. Now waiting Papa want ya. Sweetie Maria, Maria. Amali changanje tonwa, Maria. Yele bugu elewe Papa, Maria.
Hey! Hey!
Who do I have in my optimal view?
Somebody will come.
This is me.
Somebody will come. Somebody will come.
You are still looking so young, like ever.
Somebody will.
Man, I'm so flabbergasted.
Where are you coming from? When did you enter this village?
Not too long ago. I have returned to my fatherland. At least to retire for now.
Somebody will.
Man!
Chill. Don't
Madu.
tell me this guy belongs to you.
Madu, this is one of my fleets. You need to see all that sophisticated and more digitalized ones. Very computerized.
Oh
yes.
Mbasen.
Mankaji bought in a pim onada.
Onyoma futari.
Madu.
Onyoma. If futari onye.
Nkankarism has never gotten to you.
Where are you going to now? Anywhere you are going to, I'm following you. If you don't have anywhere you're going to, come, let's go to my house.
Setting my gaze at you alone, it has made me so mesmerized.
What are you not talking?
Oh, let's go.
Hey,
let's go.
The way. Onyoma futari here. The way.
Madu.
Sweetie.
Follow me. Mbasi. The way.
See that fancy, see that fancy, Maria. You make my papa like a mom, Maria. Our people like a mom, Maria.
Afia, where are you going to?
You know where I'm going to now.
Afia, I don't like this. I don't like it at all.
Ochitimi.
Who is this girl that has made you want to go back to Mwese? Who is she?
My sister. Who else will make me to go back there? Mobuno Brose, Brazilian chocolate.
Afia, You are yet to sleep since you came back from the party. And you want to go back to see a girl? I don't want to hear that you fought with the boys of Umueze.
It's not possible. She, my sister. Who else will make me to go back there? Yeah? Just don't bother yourself. Just use the money I gave you to cook something. Oh?
Ofia. Ofia fulago on of Ofia. Gekwan.
Sabi, I'm fine. How are you? Okay. Let me go. I'll see you people when I come back. Do you want them? Let me go and eat that personal chocolate.
Brazilian chocolate. Don't tell me he's going for another night party.
Sabina, I'm afraid to tell you that what you said has happened. A girl from Umueze has finally taken his heart. Just yesterday. So Sonia.
Hey! Chimo. So you want to tell me that he's going to see another girl?
I'm sorry to tell you that he told me that he has finally seen a girl he wanted. But I will never allow that happen. On my meme.
Hey, why is your brother doing this to me now? Eh? What did I do to him? Why is he breaking me? In fact, I'm going after him. I want after him.
Hey, don't try it though. Because if you do, he will hate you forever. Just pipe low. Calm down. Let's see the girl with our eyes and then we deal with her.
Let me just go after my heart. You know, I'm in love with you. Let me just go after him. I want to stop him. It's not fair, it's my heart, so he's taking my heart.
Hello, Sisi, ne mama. Like this, like that. You don't carry my heart to go. I know go search again, oh, baby.
Maria. Don't tell me you have fallen to this guy already. Eh?
Yes, I have. He knows my weak points. I told you.
And who told you he's going to come to this village again? Eh? Don't be too cheap to this guy, you.
I'm not cheap. It's just that my spirit says he's the one. I have never felt like this before.
Remember, men can be deceitful. Understand my points. I know what I'm saying. Eh?
Listen, Rebecca, please, just stay with me a little longer. I know he will pass here. This is the road that leads to Umopia. He will come. He will surely come.
Maria, you are meeting this guy newly. You have to look neat. At least you have to take your bath and apply some perfumes so that you look sweet for him to love you more. Eh? I know what I'm saying. Singers are used to girls. Don't allow his smooth talk to deceive you. Be careful.
Mbasen.
Madam.
Diwe. You are welcome to my home.
Madam.
This is the cola I have for you. Let's drink this and wait for my daughter to come back and prepare food for us.
Madu, worry not about edibles to be masticated. For I've had more than enough of it from the pots, the native pots of the widow of nature. I'm talking about my late brother's wife.
Mbasen, I thought as much. Pray over that drink. It has been a long time I saw you last. Pray. It has been a long time I saw you.
Madu!
No, ma.
This is the real drink. My dear friend, changes by way of metamorphosis.
Mbasen,
development.
wait. You just came. You want to pray to the gods. You start up.
Madu!
Mbasen,
you are right. Let me pour this libation to the gods of the land. Let the earth sip this drink at your heart. So then we can sing songs at the gates of victory. Then my wavering wishes shall grow into a child and listen to the human habits of mine.
Diwe. Onye ọma ka iwu. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ịpụtara something aja. Hi. Stop English. Speak grammar.
Hope is hope when it builds a home. There is no victory without songs of testimony. From Umweze to Kumasi to Cape Town and back to Umweze, where I sucked my mother's breasts. Madu, I am the loamy soil of Africa, where the plants regain her lost strength and vigor. I pour this libation not because I sew clothes with dainty skins of the ancient, but because on the windows of infinite faith, hope is an old tortoise tale. Let the gods of Umweze rejoice at the auspices of the joy of our children.
Diwe. Mbasin. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo mmadụ. Onye ọma pụtara ihe aja.
I have arrived.
Hey, you came home with enough grammar and money.
I have arrived.
Tell him.
Madu.
Hey.
I am so flabbergastedly and overwhelmingly amazed seeing you this day.
Hey, Mbasin. Tell me stories. What happened in Kumasi?
Kumasi was indeed a great luxury. Oh yes. However, moving to Cape Town was a greater luxury.
Mbasin. Diwe.
That is me. Madu.
This is so unfair. How can your brother take me for granted? After showing him how much I care about him, how much I love him, instead he went and fell for another girl.
Calm down. Just calm down. All we need to do is to let him bring the girl. Let him get her and bring her back home. Then we will know who she is. And once we've seen her face and recognized her, we will go and look for her. When we see her, we will beat her blue and black to the extent that she will not think of going close to my brother again.
How sure are you that she's from Umweze? Or is this just a girl that just came for a party from Umama? You can't be too sure.
He told me that the girl is from Umweze. But we don't have to handle it this way. Because if you handle it this way, he will be upset. Okay? Just calm down. I know what to do. I know what to do. You have done so much for us in this family. And my brother must marry you. He must marry you. I want to go for wine.
If only God would just open his mind for him to see how much I love him. I love your brother. I don't know why he's treating me like this. I don't know what I did to him. I don't know why he's treating me like this. I love Ofia so much. I love him.
Mbasin.
Madu. Madu.
You have been so transformed.
I'm back. Welcome, sir.
Maria. Hey. Maria. Maria, you're welcome. What kept you, Maria?
There was a little delay at the stream, Papa. But don't worry, I'll prepare your food for you.
Oh, Maria, you're welcome. Wait. Meet my friend. His name is Mbadiwe. I call him Mbasen. This man is Bomadiko. Onyoma for something aja. He is a legend, a living legend. Greet him again.
Welcome, sir, again.
Greet him again.
Welcome, sir.
Greet him again.
Welcome, sir, again and again.
The goddess and the paragon of beauty.
Maria.
I shall indeed write a poem of beauty for you.
Poem?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know how to write poem?
Poetry is the proverbial kola nut. Only the elders who knows the inward belly of it choose.
I've seen the man that will teach me poetry.
Papa, I'm coming.
Hey. Wonderful. Madu, yeah, don't tell me that she's the toddler of yesterday.
That's the same little girl you knew. Wow. Yeah.
Woo. She has suddenly metamorphosed, gravitated, graduated, and so developed into a human, feminine, female species.
Hey! Abam Nisi. Mbasen. Biko, take it easy. Take it easy with your grammar. I said it. That you came back to this village with grammar and money.
Maru, this season has so intoxicated me. The twine, the chord with which words are twined. Madu, I shall program, reprogram, produce and reproduce a poem. And a poem of beauty. I am now the chord.
Easy.
Madu,
Hey!
I beg to retire this moment.
But wait. Maria!
Papa!
Maria, come.
Madu,
my friend Mbadiwe wants to leave. You like poetry, I can see that.
Yes, Papa.
You will go to his house, he will be teaching you poetry.
Madu, I shall gladly do it. Oh yes. But for now, I beg to migrate, retire by way of migration to my place of abode. Yes, you are there in the spirit. And I shall see you at the evening tide of the Muru.
It's okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Oh, my dear.
Papa, I never knew a man of that caliber lives in this village.
Yeah. He's my friend. He just returned to the village. He was on his way to my house when I met him on the road.
Hey, Papa, I love poetry. I love it. I'm very happy that I found two things I love doing during holiday. Papa, can I visit him?
Yes. I've already told him that you'll be coming to his house for him to be teaching you poetry.
Okay. Good. Yes, I'm happy. I like it like that. So when I go back to school, I'll do more in literature.
Yes, I know you must do well. You will do well. I will take you to his house myself. By the way.
Let me pour it for you.
Pour what? I've been drinking here since. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Maria.
Papa.
Maria, my queen.
Sweet Papa.
Sweetest Maria.
Sweetest Papa.
Sweetest Maria.
Sweetest.
Oh.
Wait, can you now see what I told you? No, can you now see what I told you? How do you know that girl will come here again? Oh, you think she's going to fall for you that easily? Is that what you think?
My good friend, calm down. Calm down, she will come.
When? Okay? No, when? Are we going to wait for her till Jesus comes? Do you know how long we have waited here? Do you know how long? Look, I will leave you here and go home. Oh. I will just leave you here and go.
Wait. See what will happen, eh? We will wait. If we didn't see her, we'll search for her everywhere. Then, if I cannot find her, I'll go to their house straight.
What did you say?
I will go to their house straight. That is what I said.
Wait. You and I should go and search for that little... Can I disappoint you? I will do no such thing. I will do no such thing. Oh, you really want to visit a girl that you do not know in her own house? My friend, I will not join you in a hot water bath. Not me.
Jide, you don't really want me to have this girl, do you? Why are you against me? Why?
Look, it's not that I don't want you to have this girl. I'm not against you. Okay? At least this one girl that you liked. I can't be stupid enough to stop you. All I'm trying to say is that we have overwaited for this girl. And I'm beginning to lose patience. That is it.
She will come.
She will come.
Please wait.
She will come. Ofia. Wait. Ofia, wait. Where are we heading to? Because as we speak, I am very tired.
To her house, of course. Oh, do you expect me to go back without seeing the glimpse of her face? The beauty of her face?
Wait. We are going to her house?
Yes.
Ofia, I don't think I can do that with you. I cannot do that. Now let me ask you. Do you know this girl this much? Someone you just met in the morning. And you know you are yet to see her parents. Now you want to carry yourself to her house. Eh?
Why are you discouraging me? Why are you discouraging me, Jide? Why? See, if you don't want to go, you can stay here and wait for me. Yes, I would go there and come out in peace. See, she is the only one that matters to me now. Can't you understand?
Just look at yourself, Ofia. As big, as tall, as huge, and as old as you are. So is that little girl that you decided to fall in love with? I'm asking you.
Age has nothing to do with love.
You better go alone. Let me stay here and wait for you. Or better still, look for somewhere to hide. Because I'm not ready to run with you. Lucas, I did not tell you. Love has something to do with age.
Maria, no,
Love has something to do with age.
Oh, Maria. Oh, Maria. Oh, Maria. Child. Oh, Maria. Oh, Maria. Oh, Maria.
Yeah.
Oh, Maria.
What a pleasant surprise.
Yes, I told you I'm coming to visit you today. How are you, my dear? Don't worry, if he comes, I will sing for him. I have come to sing a love song for the only woman that have ever captured my heart.
Ofiam, I know, but even though, you have to go now. My father might come out and see you.
It's okay.
Maria, who is this man?
He's my friend. He's Ofiam. I mean, Ofia. He's a musician. He sings for me, yes.
I know.
You know I love music, Papa.
I know. But this man will not make an impact in your life, except poetry. The one you need in the college.
Papa, he does poetry too.
Really? Young man,
Sir.
you can speak poetry. I speak, I'm listening.
Sir, it's not that I cannot speak English. I know it very well, and poetry...
Speak! What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? My daughter don't need music. Maria, have you seen it? He cannot speak poetry. My son, leave my compound.
Papa, he can.
Leave my compound.
Ofiam.
But come on, Shaq! Wait. Come on, get him.
Papa.
Okay, get here.
Papa, I didn't like what you did. He's my friend. He's a nice man. Have you ever seen me proud of a man like that before? He's a nice man. Ofiam makes me happy with music.
You don't need a man like him. He cannot even speak poetry that you said you like. I can't allow my daughter to go out with any man that cannot teach her anything. With a man like this, you will not smell Lagos the rest of going to London.
Papa, it doesn't matter. Ofia is a musician and can go far with it.
A musician is not good for you. They live reckless life. Have you forgotten? Don't you remember my friend that came here? He is rich. He's educated. And he has a car, white horse.
Papa, I don't care. I really do not care. The only good thing about him is just his command in English language.
Bam! He can speak his way into the Prince Palace in London. And he is rich.
Papa.
He just love, somewhere. Maria no for of your nanya. This is love, tinyagaka. Of your no for Maria nanya. This is love.
I'm here now. Why are you passing? Come on, I'm here.
Maria no for of your nanya. Oh, this is love, tinyagaka.
I don't like your countenance. I mean, I don't like the look on your face. Lover boy, did you see her?
Jude, I was humiliated.
Humiliation! Did I not tell you? Now tell me, what happened there?
Jude?
Wait, Ofia, tell me now, what actually happened?
Ofia no for Maria nanya. This is love, tinyagaka.
So, you mean her name is Maria?
Yes. That was what Jide told me this morning. A small girl, oh. You see what I told you? I told you we should calm down until we see the girl he's talking of. Then we can deal with her.
But we don't know her.
We don't know her. But now we know she's a small girl. I cannot sit and watch that small girl control my brother like that. It's not possible.
But why is Ofia doing this to me? Why is he breaking my heart like this? It's not fair. He's not just treating me right.
It's okay. Oh, just wait. Let me finish with what I'm doing. Then I will come up with a good idea of what we are going to do. I can see she has bewitched him. She must be a marine girl.
I will deal with that girl. I will deal with her.
Uncle, hope you enjoy the palm wine.
It's very excellent. In fact, this is what I've been missing all along.
Mazibe said he will bring more for you when he comes back. But Uncle, where did you go to?
Oh, I actually sojourned, journeyed, and migrated to my old friend's house. Maduka, yes. I mean Mazi Maduka. But I need both of you to tell me what you know about his daughter, Maria. In not less than 100 words.
Uncle, how do you mean? In not less than 100 words? I don't understand.
You actually and obviously need to go to the college to understand simple, grammatical and vocabulary terms.
Uncle, we don't have money. Maybe now that you're back, you cannot send us to college. Well, Maria is a very nice girl. She's in college. Just that her father doesn't give her the chance to interact with people so much.
Enough. You want to exceed 100 words?
Uncle, just this little thing that I just said.
If it is in an exam, you have failed woefully. Simply put, she is intelligent, she's beautiful, she has charisma, and she's a paragon of beauty.
One person.
Uncle, but she's a small girl now.
Enough. Do you want to add more to all I've said? Enough has been said already. Just get into the bungalow and get me my newspaper. Thank you. Oh, you feel like taking? There's no problem. We have a full jar of palm wine here. Yes, it's for everyone. We need to felicitate, you know. Yes.
Let me tell you something. Be warned. Be warned. Who are you to tell me who to go and see and who not to go and see? Inayala, are you mad? Who are you?
I am your sister. Your only blood. If I don't tell you this, love will take you away from me. Now you want to go out again to see a girl when you have not gone to work. How are we supposed to feed? How do we feed? Yesterday, you went to that place and came back to ask me what is poetry. Today, you may go and come back to ask me what is farming. I don't understand.
Let me tell you the truth. You're crying for nothing. Because no amount of tears will make me like your friend. I don't want her. I don't like her. I have seen who I like, who I love. And I will marry her. As you're seeing me now, I am going to that place. And I'll keep going there till I win her love and marry her. Yes.
No problem. There is no problem. I will not say anything to you until you bring her to this house. Let me see how you will feed her when you don't go to work. Let me see how you feed her. No problem at all. Look at a girl, a good girl that likes us, a good girl that cares for the family. You don't want to like her. You don't want to like her.
Hello, Sissy, the mama. Like this, like that. You don't carry my heart to go.
This girl, you will not kill me. You will not kill me. What is keeping you now? Okay. Sabi. Sabi, Sabi.
Jide.
Sabi, Sabi.
Jide.
Listen. If they keep you and keep honey, tumbom will be a waste of time. I will just dive you. You are as sweet as usual. You are sweet. I always sweet.
You know I'm sweet.
You are very sweet.
You know I'm very, very sweet.
Very, very.
But why is this thing not working? I want you to pressurize him very, very well.
But what's it now? What is it again? I have told you to calm down. Okay? Calm down. Ofia is my friend. I've been trying my best to make him change his mind. And I'm very convinced that I will succeed eventually. Just calm down.
But you know I love him very well. That is why I'm doing all these things I'm doing with you. So that you help me and make him accept me as his own. And I want him to hold me very close to his heart.
I'll help you. See, I will go there this morning to continue from where I stop. I will make sure he changes his mind. I will try. But Sabi, something is bothering me.
What is it?
If you see the small girl this Ofia is going after.
Hey! Small girl kwa?
Here! You need to see this girl. This girl is as fair as mommy water. I don't know if it is the fairness that is entering my friend's head. I just don't get it. I don't get it.
Why are you telling me this thing now? Why are you telling me this thing? Okay, should I go and bleach my skin?
No, don't try it. Don't try it. You better maintain this complexion. Oh, because I told you my friend is going after a fair girl. That's why I want to go and destroy your complexion. Don't you know it's this complexion that is making me to come close to you? You don't see it? Don't worry. He will come back to you. By the time that girl's father called police for him, he is going to run for his dear life. And you know something? I have promised myself not to follow him to that place again. I won't.
Don't go there.
I won't. But Sabi. What's that?
See that girl, by the time I'm through with her,
don't go and fight anybody. Don't go and fight anybody. What's that?
Hello, Sissy, Maria, like this, like that. You don't carry my heart,
Maria, you have water. Go and change and go to Mariwe's house, okay?
Why? This early morning?
Do what your father said. Go and drop that gallon and go for your lessons.
Papa, I like poetry, but I don't want to fetch water when the sun is out.
Okay, don't worry. The water we'll have here will be enough. If possible, I will fetch the water myself, okay?
Papa, I love poetry, but I don't like how you're taking it. This is not how I want to learn. Besides, don't you think Mbadwe will still be sleeping?
Maria, don't argue with your father. Go and change. Go for lessons.
Oh, Papa, now let me just go and fetch the water.
Let me see who will stop me from winning her love. Since Jide has started discouraging me, it's better he didn't come with me. Maria is the woman after my heart. Nothing can separate us. I've never felt like this before all my life. It's obvious to me that she's the one for me. I will wait for her. Let me compose a song for her.
Wait. You mean he has gone to Umweze this morning?
Yes. And that is after shouting at me because I'm trying to make him see reasons that Sabina is the best girl he can have.
You see what I have been saying? This is exactly what I have been saying. I don't know why your brother is stubborn. I don't know why Ofia, my friend, is very stubborn. If you see the small girl he is going after,
Small girl?
This girl is not only small. This girl does not know anything. She is inexperienced in the game of love. She does not know anything. Is it because she's fair? Oftentimes I keep asking myself, is fairness enough to attract a man to a woman? But one thing I know for sure is this. One day, that girl is going to break his heart. Did I say break? Break is an understatement. That girl will collect your brother's heart, put it in a mortar, and pound it for 2 hours. After pounding it, she is going to collect the pounded heart, put it in a grinding machine, and grind it for 1 hour 30 minutes. And after that, she's going to pack the grinded heart, tie it in a cellophane, drop it on a main road for trailer to run over.
Hey! Hey! Oh, my brother can be stupid at times. How can he leave a big girl like Sabina who supports him financially to go for a small girl? If forgets to come at the one, hey! Hey! Warn him. Tell him I said he will not bring that girl into this house. Oman Lotai.
Listen, just this. I have advised your brother. I have warned your brother. But your brother has remained adamant. And I've promised myself one thing. I will not follow him to that place again. Whatever he sees, he should take.
You did well. You should not go there with him again.
Oh, he has gone to Umese this morning.
Who is here?
Yes. Yours a GB. Ooh, my holistic angel, angelic Marialism. How are you? Ooh, oh, what a wonderful morning to behold the angel of nature, the best in the whole world, the most pretty damsel I've ever set my gaze on. And what brings you to my humble abode is gracious morning. Yeah, please take a seat. Please take a seat. Easy. Oh, that's my angel.
My father advised me to come to you so that you can teach me poetry because he knows how much I love it.
Oh, your father did well. And how is my wonderful friend Maduka?
She's fine.
You are welcome, my angel. Well, you are welcome to the world of wisdom. The world of the village writer. What I want to teach you is a poem I wrote while in Harvard College. That's what I want to teach you, and it's titled The Mirror of God.
The poem you wrote?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let me listen to it.
Okay. I long to feel again the majestic, the mystery, the unity of you, of me, of we, in the greater we, transcending all duality. I long to know the you that is me within the greater we. I long to know the taste, this sacred Trinity. I mean the taste of this sacred Trinity
without all the filters of bias I have built in me.
Wow, this is so great.
However, it has not finished. Oh yes, it has not ended. Releasing the fears that bind me, I trust that our hearts will sing in every great harmony. Let us reflect every and evermore. Let us reflect evermore purely the love dancing in our eyes so invitingly. Together we can be free to soar into the depths of all eternity.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is so wonderful. So wonderful.
My dear, I'm going to spoil your little brain with poetry. I will make sure that at the end, even your salutation will almost be a poetry. They will know that you are a candidate for the Harvard. My angelic Maria, my Marialistic angel, Oyoyolistic angel, the abomaristic damsel, the one that makes me soar in the world of dreams and visions. Without you, my night is not complete, my dear. I am yet to give you the best. I bless the womb that carried you. Oh, yeah.
This is love, Tinyegaka. Of your love for Maria Nanya. This is love, Tinyegaka. Maria no for of your Nanya. Oh, this is love, Tinyegaka. Of your love for Maria Nanya. This is love, Tinyegaka.
Banana bongo, 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 banana bongo. Ay!
Hey, sir, please, sir, please, hey, here again. Sir, please, good morning, sir.
Hey, sorry, sir. Sir. Good morning, sir.
Why have you decided to be stubborn? You can't even speak ordinary poetry.
Sir, word is not the only thing that binds man and woman together, but what they feel for each other. I am not a runaway boy that come to spoil your daughter. I come with love. I come with a reason.
Really? I can only see you come with glitter. Leave my daughter alone. Don't allow me to treat you the way you will not like. My daughter is too young for your hands. Her heart still untouchable. You musicians, I know you. I know what you are made of.
Sir, I am different. Please, why don't you try me and see?
Isn't it? You are different. If you are different, that means you are not a musician. And they cannot make it in life. Because this is the only way musicians survive. Leave here now. Before I change my mind.
Sir, please, I beg you. Please, I want to see her. I want to sing for her, sir, please.
You want to sing for her?
Yes.
You want to sing for her? Come and sit down.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ah, thank you.
Sit down. Come, sit down.
Maria!
Come. We want to sing for you. Oh, actually, it's one track.
Yes, sir. One track.
Maria! Maria!
All right.
Come and sing for her. What? Yeah. Come on, this is one track.
Love one thing, as I see this love and I die. Sweet, sweet Maria Moore, Ije love, Balonuma. Jai, my sweetie Fantadiella, let them talk. If I sorrow, I have to bear. You are my tea, sugar, all together more. Tomato more, Monagige, Maria, no for love, Yananya. This is love, it's in your gaga. Of your love for Maria Nanya. This is love, it's in your gaga. Maria no for love, Nanya. Oh, this is love, it's in your gaga.
Mbadi. Ezigbo mmadụ. If there is something aja. Hey, Maria. Maria. Mbasin. This is my joy. Look at my daughter. She now rides along a man of integrity.
Odogu. Dodogoristic mmadụ.
Hey, mmadụ.
I greet you.
Mbasin. Welcome to my house once again. Look at Maria. Maria, you're smiling. Maria.
Papa.
I trust my friend. You will see my mother. Onyoma. Mbasin, if there's something aja.
Papa, he's so stuck with poetry.
My God.
I feel happy being around him.
Oh.
Madhu, your daughter likewise does not only have brains. In fact, she is the brain herself.
Maria. Oh.
In fact, Harvard University she must attend. Harvard. In fact, I, Mazin Badiwe, alias Mbasin, we see to it.
Hey. Mbasin. Diwe. Ezigbo mmadụ ke o. Onyoma, if there's something aja. Mbasin, if you do this for me, whatever you ask me in this world, I must do it for you.
Madhu, consider it done.
Hey.
London, here she migrates.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Oh, my ritualistic angel.
Maria.
Oh, your heuristic angel.
Mbasin. Come and take
Come on, dear.
Sit down.
Madhu.
Sit down.
Madhu.
Sit down.
You have not seen anything yet.
Sit down.
I will spoil you and spoil your whole generation. You people will know that.
Love one thing, as I see this love and I die. Sweet, sweet Maria Moore, Ije love, Balonuma. Jai, my sweetie Fantadiella, let them talk. If I sorrow, I have to bear.
Maria.
Papa.
Maria, go and get us cola. It's what I've been telling you. I told you, this man, Mbadiwe, is rich and educated. This is the kind of man I want around you. Not that foolish boy that came here in the morning with music. Tell him I will kill him.
Did he come here?
Yes! He came here. If not for one thing, I could have killed him. Because Jay arrange something, arrange cola, bring it. Maria, Maria. Sweetest Maria.
Papa. My black beauty. I need to meet him. I must see him. I need to meet him.
Mbasen, Madu. Itozu.
Mbasen. Mbasen. This is Kola.
Madu, it is said that the collar from a king remains in his hands. So, go ahead and bless it.
Mbasen, why don't you do it? The way you called upon the gods yesterday on that hot drink shows that the gods understands poetry. So go ahead and call them again.
Hey, it's okay. The gods of our land, let this morning awaken your tongue.
He said,
the fire in my eyes is a prophecy.
Mbasen. Mbasen. Right on. Tawa Abacha.
We are healed this morning. The maker of man, do it again.
He said,
let the noonday sun come, that we may tell the tale of the old tortoise in the vineyard of our grandmothers.
He said,
protect us from the harm of evil and put food, even the food of the future, on our tables. He said,
Mbasen. Mbasen. Iwe onyoma.
Oh.
Ifutara ihe aja ezigbo mmadụ, ọ tụọ gbajie. Maria.
Sweet Papa.
Sweetest Maria.
I want to go and fetch water. You know we really need water in the house.
Maria. Water.
Papa.
Maria, come. Maria. Maria. Maria.
No, Odogu. Let her go. Let her go. Oh, yes.
Mbasen.
The beauty and the aesthetic nature of the African queen lies in the water pot on the head of the princess.
Mbasen. Oh,
for continuity purposes. Madu, I am so overwhelmed by our friendship.
Don't cut my bread, too. Don't cut my bed, too. Leave my clothes now.
Give me my money, oh. Give me my money. Are you trying to tell me that the effort I put in trying to convince her will just go like that? Eh? Pay me, oh. You are looking for my trouble.
I don't care. It didn't work out. I promised to give you money the moment Maria accepts me. But she did not. So why will I give you money now? From where? Leave me, oh. Leave my clothes, oh.
So everything will just go like that, Ebon boy?
It has already gone. It is gone and gone forever. See, Rebecca, don't make me to tell Maria that you almost collected money from me because of her. Don't make me, oh, this Judas. Judas,
Mama Judas, what about you? What about you that promised to give me money? What will I call you? Idiot, he goat.
Me, he goat?
Yes.
You, she goat. Don't tell me, oh. I'm angry, oh. You and your friend, I don't want you people there. You, I don't want you, I don't want her. Look at, come on, small Maria. I say, let me just bring up. Make her to be like big girl in this village. Just carry her along. You are telling me that, give me money, give me money. The moment, anytime you will stop me or do I say, give me money because of that small Maria. That's your anyari. I will beat you and I will give you death that day.
You are a fool.
I'm a fool.
See, I will make sure I disgrace you in this village.
Disgrace me?
I will disgrace you.
Bomboy.
Look at you, old man that is answering Bomboy.
Me, Bomboy.
Old man, you are a fool.
You are a fool.
He goes.
You are a fool.
If I can't. Illiterate.
I am going to be crazy. I'm illiterate. But my money is not illiterate. I go. Bomboy. Agamada.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Ofiam, should I open now?
No.
Ofiam.
Hey.
So you're the one?
I greet you.
Hey, shut up. Keep your greetings to yourself. So you're the one that came to take my man from me, eh?
Your man, Kwa. Don't understand though.
Echani,